Are you getting my voice now? Is my voice is clear to all of you guys? Right. Okay, good. I think here it was rain now at Hyderabad. Maybe some kind of internet fluctuations may be available. That's why you may get this kind of problem. Don't worry. Okay, it will come. It will come. Don't worry. All right, sir. So now the content is like what? No. So J to EE, that means J to SE, J to EE, and J to ME. These content we understood clearly. Right. Now, what I'm trying to discuss now, I want to discuss about the plan, what you are going to follow, what exactly the plan we are going to have to complete this course, and what is trending in outside market. That everything here we are going to understand clearly. I want to give some information about our technologies. Why? Because today we are started with Durga, and today we are started with my classes now. Without having plan, blindly if you are attending these classes, even it takes nearly years and years of time to complete your courses now. Why? Because Java is a ocean. We are unable to complete the total Java within 3 months or 4 months or 5 months. Even 10 years of time, if you attend the classes, after 10 years of time, still something is going to be remaining. Still something is going to be remaining even after 10 years of time learning. So that's why I'm telling there, with the proper plan, we have to learn these concepts, and with the proper target only, we have to attend these classes now. So the total plan I want to give today, a little bit, 5 to 10 minutes of plan. Then after that, I will start our content clearly. Right, so now, first of all, let's understand this content clearly. I'm going to give some kind of representation or try to observe this clearly. Guys, all of you understand it, no? If we come to the IT sector, if we come to IT, that means software industry, two parts are available in IT. Two types are available. Two types of jobs are available in IT. What are the two types of jobs here? First one is technical, and second one is what? Non-technical. Please listen carefully. Non-technical, technical, and non-technical. Under this non-technical, what we are able to get, sir? Now tell me, non-technical, which type of jobs we are able to get from this non-technical? Now tell me. Here we may get like what now? And network administrators. Okay. Then after that, or maybe not even network administrators. In outside might be we are able to have like what now? Like BPO jobs maybe. Understand it clearly. BPO, voice support jobs. Voice support jobs. That's under like what now? BPO, and so on. This type of jobs are going on under this like what now? Non-technical. Understand it clearly. Next one is, if we come for this technical, at the technical side, again, we are able to have two types are existed. What are the two types at the technical side now? Listen carefully, all of you know. Development side and non-development side. Development, and what next one here? Non-development. Observe carefully. Why? Because today, whatever the concepts I am discussing, it's not like technology, just I am giving overview. By this, we can understand what we have to understand, and where we are now. This kind of things here, we are able to understand clearly. All right, sir. Now observe carefully. Development and non-development. Under this non-development, what we are able to get actually, which type of things here we are able to get under this non-development? Observe carefully. Here we can understand network administrators. Okay. Next one is a database administrators. Next one is a server administrators, and so on and so on and so on. This kind of things we are able to get, where we can understand like what now? The testing tools, and so on. Some other technologies will come. Got it or not? In general, operational team will do this administration work. Operational team will do this administration work. Then it will come under like what now? Non-development. This kind of things will come. Okay. Under this development, what technologies here we are able to use? Little bit awareness I'm telling to you. Under this development, That means different technologies here we are able to use. What technologies here we are able to use under this development? Under this development, majorly we are having three types of technologies here we are able to use. What are the three types of technologies here? First one is Java. This is one side. And second one is what? Second one is Python. Second one is what? Python. Then after that. And the third one is like a UI, front-end development. UI development. Third one is UI. Then after this, and some other like what? No, miscellaneous. Some other technologies are available. All right, so this type of classification here we are able to have under this development side. So technology based development I'm talking there, UI and some miscellaneous in the sense all remaining things will come under this miscellaneous. No, all right, sir. Now wait, I'll come. It will come under like what? No, cloud, totally cloud. The cloud will come under like what? No, non-development side only. There, I will talk about that cloud and Azure. Then what next one? AWS. I will talk about it separately. I have a plan for it. Okay, today itself I will give clarity. All right, sir. Next one is like what? No, what next one here? After that. So if we observe this Java site, at the Java site, what we are able to discuss, what we have to learn at Java site. If you want to take this Java site, what we have to do? Right, I'm going to give clarity. It will be like what? Core Java. Right, sir. Observe carefully now. This is a stack here, what we are having totally. Now, at the Java site, we are able to have core Java. Then what next one here? Advanced Java. Understand it clearly. Then after that, we have to go for some frameworks like what? No, Hibernate. Then after that, what next one here? Spring. Again, I will talk about Hibernate and Spring. Again, some separate definition is available for them. Then after completion of the Spring, then what next one here we have to use there? Spring Boot. Then after that, what next one here? Microservices. Then after that, what next one here? Web services. These many things are existed. Right, sir. Now, come again. What exactly the things here I provided here? At Java side, if we take core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, then what next one here? Web services. These are the technologies are going to be available. At what side? No, Java side. Yes, sir, got it or not? But if you observe this Python side overall, at the Python side, in two ways are available again at a Python side. What are the two types at Python side? No, let me explain in a separate window. Guys, all of you observe carefully. Let me write in a separate window. Now, if we take Java side here, what technologies are listed here? Now, tell me, first one is like what? No, core Java. Next one is like what? No, advanced Java. Next one is like what? No, Hibernate. I'll give much clarity. Don't worry for that. Then after that, then what next one here? No, Spring. Next one is like what? No, Spring Boot. Then after that, what next one here? No, microservices. Then after that, web services. These things under this Java side. That's okay. Again, now, if we come for this Python side, again in Python side, two types are existed, sir. What are the two types are available here? Enterprise application level, and the second one is what? Data analysis. One is at enterprise application level, another one is what? No, data analysis side. Observe carefully. Okay. Python, again at Python, two sides are available. Two types are available. Enterprise application side, another one is what? Data analysis side. Okay, fine. If we come for this enterprise application side now, here we have to learn core Python. Next one is advanced Python. Then after that, frameworks, Django. Then after that, what next one here? After that, REST API. Another Django alternative is what? Flask is also existed. These many things we have to learn at the enterprise application level. Okay, fine. At the same time, data analysis side, what we have to learn actually, if you want to go for data analysis side, no, that would be like what? Core Python, advanced Python. Then after that, data visualization tools, data visualization. Then after that, statistics. statistics, then after that, machine learning, then after that, deep learning, then after that, natural language processing, NLP, then after that, artificial intelligence, and so on and so on and so on. So many technologies are available. Understand, guys, what I'm telling to you now? So here at enterprise application level, core Python, advanced Python, Django, REST API, and Flask. At data analysis side, what we are having there, core Python, advanced Python, data visualization tools, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, AI, and so on and so on and so on. Different, so many. Some of them I have written here. Other technologies are also available under data science. Understand my point clearly? Okay, good. Next one, after that, what next one here we are having there, UI part. UI is existed here. Understand it clearly. UI part. Under this UI part, that means user interface development. Under this, what we have to learn there, HTML, CSS, then Bootstrap. Next one is what? JavaScript, jQuery. Then after that, after completion of this, Angular JS is the older one, and Angular. Next one is what? Node.js. Then after this, React JS, and if possible, Vue.js is also existed, but not mandatory, and so on. Some other technologies are existed here. Depends on your patience level. We can go for it. How much you want to go there. This is about like what? No, UI site. Then after that, miscellaneous part is available. Miscellaneous. Under this miscellaneous, what we are able to get here? Hadoop. Next one is like what? No, Salesforce. Then after that, mobile based technologies like what? No, Android, iPhone, and so on and so on. Some other technologies are available here under this miscellaneous site. So understand it. What exactly the technologies which are available in outside market that I am talking now. Okay. Observe carefully. If we take Java, what we have to learn there? Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, and web services. If you go for Python site, what we are having there? Two types, two paths are available. Two paths are available for Python. What are the two paths for Python here? One is like what? No, core Python. That means enterprise application side, and second one is what? Data analysis side. Either of the things here we have to follow. Okay, right, sir. All right, sir. Now either of the thing here we have to follow. That's okay, good. Then what next one here? After that, after completion of this, data analysis side, core Python, advanced Python, data visualization tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, like different tools are available. Statistics, strong statistics we required. Machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing, artificial intelligence, like all these things. UI side, these many technologies here we have to understand, and miscellaneous technologies like what? No, Hadoop and Salesforce and Android and iPhone, and so on and so on and so on. All the things are existed here. Okay. Yes, sir. All of you are getting the total stacks what you are telling now. Okay, fine. Let's come for this particular orientation. All these headlines I provided in the chart now. Now try to recognize it. What I'm telling there, guys. All of you observe carefully. Already I given the Java side and all the things clearly. Just we can remove it. Okay, fine. Anyway, as you come for today demo class for Java, not required to think about non-technical, not required to think about like what? No, non-development side. Just leave all these things. Just only we have to talk about like what? No, development side. Okay, fine. Now in development side also, as you are coming for core Java demo class or Java full stack, no need to think about the Python UI and all these things, but at least I need to give some importance of each and every one. Try to think about it. Next one is what I am telling there. If you come for this Java side, guys, all of you observe carefully. If you come for this Java side, clearly I'm telling there, 100% job opportunities are available. 100% job opportunities are available at Java side, damn sure. And at the same time, it may take some 5 to 6 months of time to complete this total. Again, the durations and everything I will talk with you, but at present, temporarily I'm talking about these durations, try to understand it clearly. Again, and finally, I will give some conclusion there. All right, sir. 100% job opportunities are available in 5 to 6 months of time. Somewhat extra time, more time it will take to complete. Java is a ocean, but we have to complete the total part here. Okay, fine. If we take this Python side and enterprise application level, core Python, advanced Python, Django, REST and Flask, it may take 3 months of time. 3 months of time, 3 months of time, that's okay. But opportunities level is only 30%. 3 months of time it will take, but opportunity level is what? 30%. That means less number of jobs are available at Python side. Of course, people are learning Python. Learning Python is different, and coming for enterprise application development is different. If you learn Python and if you come for enterprise application development side now, there are only 30% of the jobs here we are able to get. Answer my point here. But after learning Python, if we come for data analysis side, this is called as data science actually. If we come at data science side, we will get nearly 100% of the jobs. Very good, demanded in outside now. It's a demanded technology. Data science is a well demanded technology in outside now. 100% job opportunities are available, but nearly it will take 1 year of time to complete. 1 year of time it will take to complete it. More than 1 year of time. Understand my point clearly? Okay. Now, if we come for this UI side, at the UI side also nowadays might be 100% job opportunities are available. Why? Because front-end development is important. Everywhere front-end development is going on. Definitely in every project front-end development is required. To prepare this front-end development, these many technologies here we are able to use. So our job opportunity level is what now? 100%. We are able to get it. But duration to land this, to complete this total thing is like what now? 4 to 5 months of time it will take to complete all these things. 4 to 5 months of time it will take to complete all these things. But when compared with Java, this UI part is a less weighted. Even though 100% jobs are available, but priority point of view, growth point of view, Java side, how much growth we are seeing, same type of growth will not be available at which side? No, UI side. Growth, identity point of view, Java developer is getting more demand, even when compared with what? No, UI developer. Why? Because that UI learning process is very simple, not to have too much hard work. But Java learning process is somewhat difficult, but at the same time, demanded, at the same time, very good identity we are able to get. Understand my point clearly now? Right, sir. So these are the demand and how much duration here we are able to provide, we are able to attempt for all these things now. Okay, fine. Observe carefully. Java is always at a straight line. No up and downs are coming. Maximum ups are coming. No downs are coming. Even in the recession time also, Java did not lost its scope. Java is having very good scope. It's a straight line and more than that upwards arrow only, not at all at a downwards. Even in the recession time also, Java is a technology that was a hope. That was a hope for all the developers. So whatever the Java technology you selected here, that is the right path. Whatever the step here we have taken today, that is the right step to learn, to go for like what now? Java. It's a permanent solution. Java side is what now? Permanent solution. Once if we complete the total Java, once you are getting job in Java, in the next 20 to 25 years of time, you will not get any problem. But working 25 years of time in a company, in the sense almost one generation, equal to one generation. That is the max scope in the software industry for you. Working last 20 years of time in the software industry, in the sense it's a too much time. Then after that, you may go for retirement. Yes, sir, am I right or not? Right, sir. So because of that, what I am telling there, Java step is very good step. Initially might be then 5 to 6 months of time we are putting there. That's okay. 5 to 6 months of time we are putting, that's okay. But after completion of this total learning of Java, your life will be very good. Definitely, you will go for permanent setup, permanent settlement. That's why whatever the step here we have taken today, that will be right step. Okay, good. So these are the technologies, and Java is very good when compared with all other. Okay, even I'm not what I'm telling there, I'm not criticizing Python, I'm not downing Python. Why? Because if you learn Python, if you come at enterprise level, lesser chances are available. But if you come at data analysis side, data science side, very good demand is going on again. And moreover, most of the people are having some confusion. Sir, Python is a replacement for Java. Is Python is a replacement for Java? Python is getting more demand nowadays. Everybody is talking about Python only. Nobody is talking about Java. So can I choose Python when compared with Java? People may have this kind of questions. But I'm giving clarity for you. Try to understand it clearly. Java meant for enterprise application development. Its area is very clear, enterprise application development. Python is meant for data analysis side. Python is not mainly for enterprise application development. Python is mainly for what now? Data analysis side. Observe carefully. Data science purpose that Python is came into the picture. Anyway, Python is available into the picture. That's why we will try for enterprise applications also with Python. That's why we have the frameworks like what? Django and Flask. Are getting my point or not? But majorly in enterprise application level, and which side is a more priority wise? No, Java side is a more prioritized when compared with all other. When in enterprise application development, Java is a king. No other technologies are not good when compared with Java. So that's why still Java is in live in the software industry. Understand it here? Then .NET is available. Other technology .NET is also available, but no demand is available at present from .NET. If you are having any reference, or if any of your friends are working with a .NET development platform, if they want to give reference to you, if you want to join with that company with the .NET platform, then only you can learn .NET. Otherwise, not required to learn .NET here. Almost all its scope is lost, but Java scope is very good. Yeah, exactly. Relate to Java only. Okay, fine. So development side only. I'm telling you clearly. Okay, sir. Good. Now this is a scenario, but sir, it's okay. But nowadays we are getting one more word. What is that word actually? That word would be DevOps. Sir, it's going on. DevOps. It's going on, sir. DevOps is going on in outside. What is this DevOps, sir? Actually, you have not included the DevOps at any location here. But what is this DevOps? When I'm talking about DevOps there, and people are asking to me, AWS. Next one is like what? No, Azure. Then GCP, Google Cloud Platform, and so on and so on and so on. A number of things are available. Sir, what is this actually? Why you are not included these things in this total list? Observe carefully what I'm telling you now. So if you want to include this DevOps and AWS and all these things, where I have to include that, where I have to provide this one, you can observe this clearly. At a non-development side only, I have to include. But intentionally, I have not included that here. At the non-development side only, we have to include. Why? Because it is nowhere related with the development part. It is nowhere related with what now? Development part. Why, sir? Why it is nowhere related with the development part? I'll give some clarity. Development in the sense what now? Application development. Development in the sense what now? Application development. Coding we have to write. That would be the development part. Okay, by using our coding, we may prepare one application. Am I right or not? We are able to prepare one application. After preparing your application, if it is server-side application, my application must be deployed to the server or not? My application must be deployed into the server or not? Come on, guys, you have to understand my point now. My application has to be deployed into the server or not? Whenever my application is deployed into the server, then we have to monitor that deployed application. We have to monitor that server. We have to provide configurations of the server, and we have to provide that internal configurations of the server and database and everything or not? Come on, guys, you have to understand my point here now. So for monitoring purpose, for maintenance of the server's purpose, for maintenance of the network purpose, for the maintenance of our server mission purpose, all these things could be done by operational team. What is the team there? Operational team. They will think about deployments, they will think about server configurations, they will think about network configurations, and all these things could be taken care by what now? Taken care by operational team. Got my point or not? That operational team has to perform some activities. That activities could be done by automatically. That activities could be done by automatically, like what now? DevOps team. Previously, operational team is available, but at present, DevOps team is going to do that. But DevOps is available. DevOps is available. Ops in the sense operational team. Dev in the sense developers team, development side. Development and operational, some common activities are available, some combined activities are available that could be taken care by like what not? DevOps. I cannot say DevOps is only purely development side. I cannot say ops is, that means DevOps is for operational team. both the common activities are available that could be done by like what not DevOps team. That again I will talk about this DevOps. Don't worry at this moment now. Simply development team is available, operational team is available. Both are having some common issues there, common problems there. To overcome that common problems, we have to go for like what not DevOps. DevOps is a separate topic. Nowadays it's getting more demand. But if you want to go for DevOps, no, definitely we need cloud. We need cloud. Understand it clearly. Why we need this cloud actually? I'm telling to you clearly. All of you observe carefully, guys. Listen carefully. Why we need cloud? Why I'm not included that cloud also be here? I'm telling to you clearly. Understand this clearly. For example, I have a requirement. Myself is a client. For example, I have ICICI Bank, for example. I have an ICICI Bank. In my ICICI Bank, for the sake of internal processing, I require a software. I require a software application for the sake of, for simplifying my like internal process. Then immediately I give in this particular project to some development company. I give this particular project to whom? Development company. Am I right or not? Who is the development company? Maybe IBM, or maybe TCS, or maybe Infosys, or maybe Wipro, or maybe some development company has taken my project. Okay, good. They developed that application. After developing that application, they have to give that application to me or not? They have to submit the total application to me. Okay, that application must be run on a server. Am I right or not? That application must be run on what? No, a server. Am I right or not? So what I have to do as the client for the respective IBM, then I have to manage the server or not? I have to manage a server or not? That means I have to maintain a server. So I have to take licenses for the server and I have to manage that server. Okay. After that, I have to manage the network or not? I have to manage the network or not? I have to manage that server mission or not? Server mission I have to maintain, and server I have to maintain, and server platform I have to maintain. That means Linux operating system or some other operating system I have to maintain. That network I have to manage. Am I right or not? For the sake of monitoring the server and all these things, I need to maintain a separate team or not? Server administration team. That's my point here. How much infrastructure I have to maintain when the project is delivered to me? How much infrastructure I have to manage? Come on, guys. You have to answer for my questions now. There's a lot of infrastructure I have to manage or not? Nearly 10 to 15 members of server administration team I have to maintain. Database administration team I have to manage. Am I right or not? Then server maintenance and all the things we have to maintain. Right, sir. Whenever we are maintaining all these things, automatically maintenance cost will be increased or not? Maintenance cost will be increased or not? Moreover, potential I require to manage all these things from my company. So to overcome all these problems, to reduce this maintenance cost and to overcome all the issues of the servers and everything, I want to take the servers and databases and all these things for a rent. That means I want to give this maintenance and everything to some other. Who is that some other actually? Who is that some other actually? Cloud. Cloud. The servers and everything I want to take through cloud. Cloud people will take the responsibility of maintaining that server. Cloud people will take the responsibility of maintaining the databases. Cloud people will take the responsibility of maintaining that network and everything. But there it is going to be chargeable. The cloud, every minute they are going to be charged for our server maintenance and all. But every maintenance could be taken care by whom? Cloud people care. Because of that reason, who are the cloud providers actually? Who are the cloud providers actually outside now? I am the client. I need some resources. I need some infrastructure. The total infrastructure could be provided by cloud people. Who are the cloud providers and outside now? There AWS will come into the picture. Azure will come into the picture. Google Cloud Platform, GCP will come into the picture. They are the three topmost cloud providers in outside. Google Cloud Platform, Azure, and what next one? They know AWS, Amazon Web Services. Yes, sir. Got my point or not? This is a situation why, this is the reason why cloud will come into the picture. So we can understand clearly my server will be created in cloud. So I have to work with the cloud. I have to deploy my application in the cloud server, and I have to access my application from the cloud server. So as the operational team person, I have to interact with the cloud or not. So cloud platform is required or not for my development purpose nowadays. No. Understand my point here? So because of that reason also, here we are having cloud. Okay, fine. After getting that cloud servers and everything, what we have to do, sir? Now tell me. What we have to do, sir? Now tell me. So whenever application is provided by the developer, that I have to deploy into the server. Then before deploying or after deploying, then I have to perform some test cases. For my product, I have to perform some test cases. Next one is I have to deploy that product into the server. Then after deploying, I have to monitor that application. I have to check a health of diagnostics of that application, the servers and everything. To automate this total process, a set of tools we are going to use for deployment purpose and monitoring purpose. For deployment purpose and monitoring purpose, we are going to use a set of tools. The tools are nothing but what now? DevOps tools. The tools are what now? DevOps tools. Number of tools are available. Jenkins, Kubernetes. Understand my point again? Ansible, and Chef, and so on. So n number of tools are available. Not like these tools, no. N number of tools are existed clearly. Sir, all of you are getting my point or not? What I'm telling you, know. That's okay, fine. So DevOps is available, cloud is available. That's okay, fine. Okay, sir. These are the various things are existed clearly, right, sir? Next one is what? After that, you may ask one question to me, sir. Nowadays, one word is getting more demand in outside. What is that word actually? Full stack Java. Full stack Java is getting more demand in outside, sir. What is that full stack Java? Can you please explain about that full stack Java? Why full stack Java is coming into the picture also, I want to specify that. Now let us understand this point also clearly. Then after that, we'll go for this full stack Java. Guys, all of you observe carefully. All of you might be aware about project life cycle. All of you might be aware about like what the project life cycle. Am I right? Project life cycle activities, project life cycle states. At least, can you tell me what are the topmost project life cycle states? No, high level states are what? What are the various high level states of project life cycle? Life cycle states, no. First one is analysis phase or not. Come on, guys. Project analysis. Then what next one here? After this analysis, no. Next one is what? No, coding phase or not. Coding phase in the sense like what I'm telling there, development phase or not. Development. After this development, then what next one here? Now tell me, testing phase or not. Testing phase. Then after this testing, then what next one here? Production phase or not. Come on, guys. What I'm telling you now. Okay, fine. Analysis phase, development phase, testing phase, and what next one here? No, production phase. That's okay, fine. Analysis phase could be done by high level people. High level people, we are not going to think about it. Might be architects, maybe project managers, maybe they might be included in the analysis phase. We are not going to think too much about that analysis, just leave it. But as a fresher or maybe 3 to 5 years of experienced person, we are going to be involved in the development phase. Am I right or not? We are involving in what now? Development phase. Observe carefully. In a development phase, we have to write the code. Okay. In a development phase, how many parts of development is going on actually? How many types of developments are available actually? We can observe this clearly. 3 types of developments. I divided this total development into 3 types. What are the 3 types of development actually? First one is front-end development. Yes, sir. Got my point or not? Front-end development. And the second one is what now? Middleware. Middleware. Instead of saying this middleware, I can say application development. Instead of saying middleware, I can specify like what now? Application development, app development. Okay. Then the third one, I want to provide like what now? Backend development. Understand my point here? Backend implementation. Okay, simply front end, middleware, and backend. I want to remove this development is a word here. You may get confusion. Leave it. Then here, what I am going to be specified there clearly: front end, middleware. Then what next one again? A backend. Front end, then middleware and backend. What is this front end actual, and what is this middleware, and what is this backend here? I'm telling to you clearly. Front end in the sense like what now? UI, user interface part, login pages, registration pages, then add forms and search forms. All these things are come under like what now? Front end part. To complete that front end part, what we have to learn there actually, we have to learn to complete, to prepare this development side, front end development, what we required here, UI, basic UI, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery. Then what next one, Angular. Then after that, what next one, after completion of this Angular, React JS. Then these things here we are able to use in a front end development. Basic UI in the sense HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. Then what next one here, JavaScript and jQuery. These five are come under like what no UI. Angular and what next one, React JS is also be coming for like what no UI development, front end development only. Then middleware or application development here, what we are able to use there, Java in the sense like what no, all the stack what we are able to get. That means what is the stack of the Java? Core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Springboard, microservices and web services. All these things will come under like what no, middleware. Understand my point clearly? Application development side. Then after that, maybe if you don't want to go for Java side, then we have to go for Python side. If we don't go for Python side, then we have to go for .NET side. Anything we can take, but we have taken like what no, Java. And then after that, what about this backend actually? Backend data. Now clear? Right. Now, all of you observe carefully. This is about like what not development side. Here we have to understand clearly. Next one is after that, what next phase can now tell me here? Next phase is what not testing. Testing is the next phase, guys. Observe carefully. In testing, two types of testings are available. Right. If you want to test any project, here what we have to use there, testing tools here we have to use. Here two types of, in two ways here we are able to test the application. One is like what no, manual testing, and other one is like what no, Selenium testing. Am I right or not? Selenium testing, we can observe this clearly. Selenium testing, manual testing and Selenium testing. So definitely we have to understand these two if you want to test a project. In a project lifecycle analysis that could be done by higher officials, leave it. Development part could be taken care by whom? Developers. Then how many types of development is going on? Front end development and middleware. Next one is what? Back end. In a front end, UI technologies, and in a middleware, Java and it's related. Next one is a back end is what now? Oracle or MySQL or some other. Understand my point clearly? Next one is a testing. Testing could be done by what now? Manual testing or Selenium testing. Nowadays might be Selenium testing is getting more demand here. Okay, fine. That's okay. Then what is the meaning of production here? No, production mode. Production mode is what? No, submitting that project to the client. When we are submitting that project to the client, there we have to maintain like what? No, servers we have to maintain. Understand my point clearly? Servers and databases and every setup we have to provide or not? Some infrastructure is required or not? If you want to make our project in production mode, definitely we need some infrastructure or not? Guys, production mode in the sense what? No, development was completed, that product was well tested, everything is fine, then only we are submitting that product to the client. At a client home, that product has to run. Maybe depends on the agreement, either we can submit that entire product to the client, then from that point onwards client will take care about that product. Our second thing is what? As per the agreement, the same development team has to maintain that project next to 10 years of time, next to 20 years of time. Maybe some support we require. Either of this is going to be happen at the client side. Everything, both the things will come under like what? No, production mode. When the project is in production mode, we have to maintain what we have to maintain? Servers we have to maintain, databases we have to maintain, network we have to maintain, the total administration part we have to maintain. Got my point or not? So for that, infrastructure is required or not? Servers infrastructure or databases infrastructure and everything here we required or not? So here we required what? No, infrastructure here we required. Whenever we want to maintain this infrastructure, then what we require now? Just now I said to you clearly, nowadays nobody is maintaining infrastructure in their own way. Everybody is taking infrastructure from home. From home, from cloud. Understand my point here? From cloud. So there, what we require there clearly, cloud we require, AWS. Majorly for Java applications, AWS. For .NET based applications, Azure. Understand my point here? Google Cloud Platform for any kind of purpose there. Understand my point clearly? But out of these three, who is more demanded one? AWS is more demanded one. Next one is the Azure. Next one is what? No, GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Get my point or not? Whenever it is in production mode, that cloud is required here. Oh, that's okay, fine. Guys, all of you observe carefully. Nowadays, what companies are expecting from the developers? Previously, 10 years back, if you observe, no, only separate development team. In the development team, or the middleware development team, front-end development team, back-end development team. 3 teams are available. Server administration team, database administration team. Answer my point here clearly. Network managers, network administrators separately. Answer my point here. Production team is separate. Operational team is separate. How many teams are available there? Previously, 10 years back, no, 6 to 7 number of teams are working for a particular project. How many employees we required? How many employees we required for a particular project? Maybe it is in development mode or in a production mode or maybe in testing mode, whatever it may be. Nearly hundreds of employees are required or not. But nowadays, what companies are doing, companies are not ready to bear this much of infrastructure. Companies are not ready to bear this much of manpower. Companies wants to cutting as that what they are trying to do. No, every company is expecting full stack Java developer. Every company is expecting full stack Java developer. It means that they are expecting a single developer who must involve in front-end development, who must have knowledge on middleware, he must have knowledge on back-end, he must have knowledge on testing, he must have knowledge on what? No, production mode. That means production activities also. And more, one more point here I'm telling there. To automate all these steps, please all of you guys observe carefully. To automate all these steps, development steps, deployment modes, and testing mode, then production mode. To automate all these steps, we require a set of tools. The set of tools are nothing but like what? No, DevOps. DevOps tools are existed here. We require the DevOps tools. I said you number of tools there already. Okay, Jenkins or Ansible or maybe Kubernetes or Chef, like n number of tools are available here. By using either of these tools, we are able to automate all this process clearly. So companies are expecting a developer who must involve in front-end development, who must involve in middleware, who must involve in back-end development, who must involve in testing, and who must involve in the production activities. Such kind of developer that companies are expecting. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point or not? Now tell me, who is capable to do all these things? No? Who's capable to who's capable to do all these things? No? Come on, guys. You have to answer for my coach. Who's capable to all these things? The person who knows about front end, the person who knows about middleware development, the person who knows about back end, the person who knows about testing, the person who knows about production activities. That person only can do all these things. Am I right or not? The same person is expected by all the software companies nowadays. Got my point or not? Now tell me, guys. That person must require the skill set. What skill set he must require? Wait. What that skill set required by the developer? If we come for this point, now tell me. First of all, UI he required. Then after this UI, what next one here? Angular he required. Then after that, what next one here? No, React he required. Either Angular or React. Alternative, either of this we can select. Then after that, what he required there? Then he required Java site. Java site is what? No, core Java he required. Advanced Java he required. Hibernate he required. Next one is like what? No, Spring he required. Then a Spring Boot he required. Microservices he required. And web services he required. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point or not? Just short names here I given there. Then what he required here? These many things here he required from Java side. Am I right or not? Next one, from testing side, what he required there? Now tell me, from testing side, what he required there? No, manual plus Selenium is required or not? That is required. Now next, production environment is required. Production activities, if you want to do, cloud is required or not? Tell me, guys, cloud is required or not? Then what is that cloud here? AWS is required. Then after this, then what next one again? DevOps tools we required or not? DevOps tools. And moreover, if you want to work with any cloud, which operating system we need to use for cloud? Are you thinking about it? Windows operating system is well suited for cloud. Is that Windows operating system is well suited for cloud? Windows operating system only for entertainment purpose, just for video games or maybe for movie, for watching a movie and for simple activities. Windows operating system user friendly. That's it. But when we go for server side applications now, where Windows will not work out. Windows will not work out. Windows performance is too low. When we go for like what now, server side application development, server side maintenance. For server maintenance purpose, we need to go for what now? Linux operating system, maybe Unix operating system, maybe Solaris operating system. Number of operating systems are available. Windows is only for entertainment purpose, but real application development point of view, we must go for what? Linux operating system there we have to use. So if you want to work with the cloud, where servers we are going to maintain, so which operating system we required? Linux operating system is required or not? Come on guys, I'm talking with you only clearly. So manual is required, Selenium is required. Then a cloud point of view, Linux, AWS and DevOps tools we required clearly. These many things here we required. Now the person who is having these many technologies, this much of skill set, then that person is suitable nowadays in a software industry. If you open any job portal, where if you search for the Java related jobs now, every company is expecting the developer who is having these many technologies. Nowadays might be every developer, every software company is expecting the developers who is having these many content, these many things here now. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point or not? Then who is having these many technologies actually? Might be this total technology set. This total technology set will come under this total technology set is called as this technology set is called as what? Full stack Java. This is what? Full stack Java. This total technologies part is nothing but what? No, full stack Java. This full stack Java is having very good demand in outside market. Nowadays, this is totally full stack. Now inside this full stack, what we are having, sir? Now check it now. What exact things are available? UI, Angular, React. This is for what now? Front-end development. Next one is the middleware. What is this middleware now? Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservice and web services. This is middleware implementation part. Next one is backend. I did not include it backend. Actually, I need to include that backend also. Backend is what now? One database we required. For Java developer, which database is mandatory? Oracle database is mandatory. Next to MySQL. Next to MySQL. SQL server is for what now? .NET applications. Oracle and MySQL for what now? Java developers. Majorly Oracle is sufficient. If you know Oracle, you can work with any of the databases there. Okay, fine. Next one is what now? Testing related. Testing is what? Manual and Selenium. Next one is what? Cloud. Cloud is required definitely. Linux, AWS and DevOps. DevOps is for what purpose there? To automate all the activities of development and as well as operation. That means production. To automate all the activities of development and production, we need what now? DevOps tools are available. These DevOps tools are available. So these DevOps tools we require. Nearly 9 to 10 number of DevOps tools are existed here. All the DevOps tools we have to understand. Then only you are becoming as a Java developer. That means full stack Java developer. Nowadays, every company is expecting that full stack Java developer. Even though you are fresher, if we specify full stack Java developer in our resume, definitely your resume will get more demand in outside companies there. More priorities available for our resume. Definitely may get more number of calls. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point or not? Most of the people are not having this much of awareness actually. Most of the people are not having this much of awareness. Because of that reason, they are coming to Amirpet, they are trying to join with institutes, they are trying to learn the courses without having proper plan. Answer my point here. Now tell me guys, I'm asking one question directly to all of you. If you want to settle your career in a software industry, you should be what? You should be what? Full stack Java developer. Then only you are going to have number of chances in outside. If you are not the full stack developer, full stack Java developer, chances are available, but less number of chances are available. I'm sure about it. Chances are available, but less number of chances are available here. Answer my point here. So because of this reason, everybody try to complete full stack Java development course. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Even though today you joined for core Java, I'm not forcing any of you to come for it. But actual situation, what I'm telling to you, Even though if you join for core Java, but tomorrow or day after tomorrow, definitely you should learn all these things. Even after getting job also, you have to learn all these things. Guys, one thing I'm telling to all of you, try to understand it, what I'm telling you know. Maybe some of you are thinking about this point. Sir, no need to take any training at institutes, no. If I get a job, in the company, some corporate training is going on for me. They will spend lakhs of rupees for each and every head, no? So that corporate training is sufficient for us to work with any project. Some people are thinking like that. But I'm telling to you clearly, in corporate training, what is going on there? Just 2 days, core Java is going to be completed. 2 days, advanced Java is going to be completed. 5 hours of time, Hibernate. 5 hours of time, Spring. 1 day, Spring Boot microservices. Within a week of time, the total Java stack will be completed. Next, 1 more week of time, then cloud remaining all courses will be completed. Just corporate training is going in 2 weeks of time. Finish the total full stack Java developer will be provided within 2 weeks of time. But if you come to my classes there, 2 weeks of time is not sufficient to provide core Java introduction part. 2 weeks of time is not sufficient to introduce my core Java. Why I'm telling that? I'm not criticizing that company process. Why? Because they have to follow in that approach only. Why? Because you are the employee of that company in the sense already you are the eligible person for that respective technology. They are going to show only guidelines. Understand my point, you know? That means you are proven already you are the master in technology. That's why they want to give only guidelines, just only path they are going to provide. In your own way, you have to learn everything. That is a corporate system. But that's not going to be happen if you want to get the job. To get a job, first of all, we need a strong technology foundation. Apart from that, we need to have strong technology knowledge, strong technology foundation to work with the projects after joining into the companies. That we are going to provide. That Durgasoft is providing the training. We want to make you to analyze each and every topic in order to work in the number of projects and to complete your interviews also. My main motto is what? My main motto is what? Completing interviews and working with the projects in the companies now. That means I will make you to complete your interviews and to get jobs in the companies to work with the projects. That's the main motto of training what we are conducting at present. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity or not? What I am telling there. We are the bridge from your academics and your job. We are the bridge between academics, BTech or MCA, whatever it may be, and a company, and a job, and a project. That we are learning. But it's very clear that what you learn in our academics, that may not be useful while doing projects in our companies. Not at all useful. That knowledge is sufficient. Academic syllabuses and everything is outdated. I'm clearly telling to you, outdated. Of course, new technology names may be available. The content is outdated. That proper training is also not available. A simple question I'm telling to you, if you are having good environment at your colleges, good technology support in your colleges, why you are coming to Durgasoft? If you have knowledge on your, if you have good knowledge from your colleges, no, what is the need to take classes at Durgasoft? Not only at Durgasoft, in all the institutes at Hyderabad, no. So what I'm telling there, academic might be. I'm not criticizing your college management. I'm criticizing you only. Why? Because you are not serious about your technologies at the time of examinations. You prepared for only exams. Am I right or not? You prepared exams only, for exams only. How you prepared for exams? No. One day batting. Tomorrow morning 9 o'clock exam, and night 9 o'clock we used to open the textbooks. Not even textbooks, I think so. What's that? No, all in one series or maybe some other. Yes, sir. Am I right or not? I think nowadays that mode is also be outdated. Tomorrow morning 9 o'clock exam. Tomorrow morning 7 o'clock they'll start preparation. 1 hour of time is sufficient. For what purpose 1 hour of training is sufficient? No. 1 hour preparation is sufficient for what purpose? No. Preparing chitties. No. Nowadays more technology, micro Xerox papers. Huh? Right, sir. Then that's why what I'm telling there, it's not like that. So if you want to see, you are only the person you have to face that interview. You are only the person really you have to work with the projects in the company. So you must have technology. So we are providing technology clearly. Right, sir. Leave all these things. What I'm telling you after that, leave all these things. Next one is what Durgasoft is providing courses for you. Okay, by thinking all this, by thinking about all these technologies and everything about this explanation, by thinking all these things, what Durgasoft is providing courses for you. Right, once again I'm telling to you, no force for all of you guys to join for a particular course. But you are having demo classes, you can attend for the demo classes. If you satisfy, then only you can attend for the remaining classes now. Understand it clearly. But what DurgaSoft is providing environment for all of you. DurgaSoft is providing all the courses individually. Now this is a Java class, might be demo class I'm telling there. Core Java, Advanced Java, all courses individually. All courses individually we can join, depends on your requirement. Core Java also individually we can join, no force for it. Then after that, packages also we are providing. Packages also we are providing. Try to recognize this one. Right, what packages here we are providing there? Actually, basic Java package here we are providing. Under this basic Java package, what we are having there? Now we can understand this clearly. Core Java. Then after that, what next one? Get after that, advanced Java. Next one is what? One database is required, Oracle, and the UI part is required. Basic UI. Basic UI is what? HTML, CSS, JavaScript. What next one? jQuery and these things. This basic part here we required. Observe carefully. Okay, understand it clearly. Then after that, this is one package, guys. Observe carefully. Now this is like what? No, one package. Basic Java package. Next, another one. Today is a demo class for all. Whatever the things I am going to type now, for all the today demo class I am taking now. Second one is like what now? Then after that, I will give some support also. After that, after completion of all batches, no, I'll give some advantages by joining these courses. That information also I'll provide to you. But try to understand it. Batch 2 here, what I'm going to be provided here. This is like what now? Complete Java package. Complete Java package. What is this complete Java package? Inside this complete Java, then what we are going to provide there? Core Java here we are able to provide. Next one is like what now? Advanced Java. Then after that, what next one here? Like a Hibernate. Next one is like what now? Spring. Then a Spring Boot Java. Total stack stream of Java. Spring Boot. Then after that, like what now? Microservices. Then after that, web services. For this web services and microservices, and for this total Java, we need one database, that is Oracle. Next one is the UI part here we required. Apart from this, here some real-time tools also be required. Maven, JUnit, Log4j, this kind of real-time tools also be required. We will cover part of these courses automatically. So these many things here we required. About like what now? This is what now? Complete Java package. Now another part here, what we are trying to start there. Batch 3. This is like what now? Full stack Java. Full stack Java. Guys, now we have to specify what exactly the content we are going to be covered under this full stack Java. Now tell me what we are going to be covered there now. Core Java. Then what next one? Advanced Java. Just I am going to identify your awareness on full stack Java. Then what next one? After this advanced Java, Hibernate. Then what next one here? Spring. Then what next one here? Spring Boot. Then what next one here? Microservices. Then what next one here? Web services. Then what next one here? After that, Java stream is completed. Next one is what required? Database is required or not? Oracle database. Then after that, UI part is required or not? UI, basic UI in the sense HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and jQuery. Then after that, these things are not sufficient. In the UI part, some frameworks are available. What are these frameworks actually? Angular, and then what next one here? Or we have to go for React, either of these, Angular or React. Then what next one here? Then after that, we need to go for like what testing tools we required here, no? Testing tools, then manual or Selenium testing. Then after that, then what next one here, no? Linux we need to understand. Then after that, AWS here we have to understand. Then after this AWS, then what next one here? DevOps tools, DevOps tools. Alright, sir, DevOps tools. These things we required clearly. Yes, sir, all of you are getting my point or not? This is full stack Java development. Right, if we take this full stack Java development, I'll give some advantage. Try to understand this advantage, guys, all of you know. Total, all of you understand clearly, total on full stack Java, you are able to get jobs. If you have full stack Java in our resume, it will be more demanded. 100% you will get job, no doubt for that. Okay, fine. Inside this full stack Java, from different locations also we are able to get job. For example, if you learn up to this part, that means in full stack Java, if you learn up to this, there also be some chances are available to get job. Only on the base of that, you are able to get jobs. Next one. Only on the base of this also, we are able to get jobs. Only on the base of this also, you are able to get the jobs. Only on the base of this DevOps also, we are able to get the jobs. But all together, if you learn, very good demand is going on, you will get 100% job in outside. That means in full stack Java, how many advantages are available? On Java stream itself, you may get job. On UI part, you may get job. On testing tools, you may get job. On DevOps, also you may get job. This DevOps is getting more demand nowadays in outside market. Whenever this DevOps is getting more demand in outside market, now full stack Java is getting more and more demand in outside market. Yes, sir, all of you are getting it or not? Okay, that's okay, fine. Then after that, another thing is like what I'm telling to you, guys, all of you observe carefully. One more point I'm telling there. If you join at the Durga Soft, if you join at the Durga Soft, what advantages you are able to get? What you are able to get the advantage if you join for these courses now. Of course, I'm not forcing any of you to join for a particular one. Just I'm giving a situation to you. And these batches, payments, and everything we can talk at our offices there. Okay, fine. Then what exactly the advantages here we are providing about your classes there? First one is the very first advantage is what I'm telling there. We are able to provide video access up to 1 year, up to 1 year or more than that. No conditions on it, and more than 1 year we are going to provide videos access. But for online student, videos access will be provided for all the courses. But for offline students, mandatorily up to how many classes I am going to take, up to that I will give videos. All Java stream, as of now I'm planning for core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services. This is my part. Myself is Nagoor Babu. I'm able to take these many courses. Up to that, we will get video support. But other courses are available, like Arakill, maybe some other courses, no, that I have to request for the faculty to provide these videos, but not guaranteed. Other trainers dependency. Up to myself, I'm able to provide videos, no. Other classes, sidewise, Arakill, UI, I need to request to that faculty to provide these videos at least for the package people. I have to check with that. This is one thing here, what I'm telling to know. Okay, fine. Up to video support, I'm able to provide. Understand carefully. For online student, for all the courses, video support is available. Why? Because every class is being recorded here. But my classes are being recorded so that I can provide. Arakill class is not going to be recorded. But I have to request them to provide that video support or not. But depending on them, I'm able to confirm that. But up to my classes, I can give video support. And moreover, for offline students, this video support we are able to get if we register yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day. You are able to get video support up to tomorrow only, not more than that. Then if you want to register for this course on Monday, might be this option you are going to lose. Now try to think about this clearly. Right, so this is one thing I'm providing there. Next one is like what now? For online students, soft copy material will be provided, but for offline students, hard copy material will be provided. Hard copy will be provided material. Hard copy material for all courses, hard copy material. For all students, hard copy material will be provided in offline. For online students, automatically soft copy material will be provided. Why? Because they are unable to come here. But here I'm able to provide hard copy. Understand my point here? But those who want to live from India, those who want to go for abroad, not possible to carry that books are, then if it is a second case, no, might be some conditions are applied, then by that also we are able to provide that soft copy material. Yes, sir. Got it or not? What I'm telling there. Hard copies are available at our office there. We can collect it. That is another point here we can understand now. Clearly. Now, point number 3. After that, what we are able to provide there. We are able to provide. That means in our classes there, we will work with multiple databases, guys. Multiple databases. For example, I need to go for JDBC content, Java database connectivity. From Java application, how to connect with the databases now. How many databases I'm going to use there? Multiple databases now. Like what are these multiple databases here? I'm going to list out them. First one is like what now? Oracle. Next one is like what now? MySQL. Like these two databases mandatorily I have to use. I will work with these two databases. So we will get awareness on multiple databases. Of course, Oracle official training is going on in the packages, no? But in my classes, I will use this Oracle and MySQL. That is one thing. Next one is in my classes there. In my classes, the fourth one is what? Working with multiple servers. Working with multiple servers. What are the servers here I used to? I will use in my classes there. Tomcat, for example, servlet is a technology, servlet application, server-side application. So definitely I have to use one server. Which servers here I'm going to use there? Tomcat is one server. Next one is a WebLogic server I will use. Next one is what? JBoss. JBoss or Wildfly. Both are same. Old version is JBoss and newer version is what? Wildfly. Next one is like what? No, after that, Glassfish server. These many servers I have to use. I have to work there in our classes. No, you will get awareness on these servers also clearly. Next one is after that, working with the fifth one is like what? No, working with multiple IDEs. Guys, now tell me which IDs are very good demanded in outside nowadays. Tell me. Right, sir. Which IDs are available there nowadays in outside? There, no? Eclipse. Eclipse is one ID. Then after that, what next one? No. IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA is also a very good demanded ID in outside. Right? That means IDE platforms, integrated development environment. For development point of view, we are going to use what? No? IDEs. Right from core Java onwards, we are going to use what? No? IDEs. Clearly, understand this clearly. What I'm telling you now. Right, sir. Next one is like what? No? What next one here? Next one is after completion of this, we are able to get free access to all classroom applications. Whatever the applications I'm going to prepare inside the classroom, I will send all these applications to you. You can access these applications, right? And what next one here? Apart from this, free access to classroom notes. Whatever the notes I used to type inside the class, including today's class and yesterday's class also. Every diagram and every class I will send to you clearly. I'll create a channel. Through the channel, I will send the total work of this class to you clearly. That we are able to get. Then apart from that, what next one here? Right, sir. Moreover, we are going to provide course certification, course completion certificate. At the end of the course, you are able to get course completion certificate. You are doing Java at Durga Soft. Even, of course, you can show that one at our college. That means at our companies also there. Understand my point clearly? Then Durga Soft is a branded one. Definitely, you will get some weightage if you learn the courses at Durga Soft. So we can show that certificate at our interviews also, if it is possible. That means, then what next one? Then apart from that, next one is like what? No, course completion certificate. Then we are providing placement drives. We are providing placement drives, guys, for all the students, those who are learning courses at Durga Soft. We are able to provide placement drives, but it is not job guarantee program. Please remember this. This is not job guarantee program. Okay, but we are inviting number of companies to conduct a course, conduct drives at Durga Soft. So number of companies are willing to come here. They will conduct the drives. We are providing open opportunity for everybody. You have to attend for the drives and you have to get chances to select in the respective companies. But I'm not sure. I'm not giving guarantee for our job. Why I'm not conducting job guarantee program here? I'll give some reasons to you clearly. Say, for example, in my classes, 500 students are available. How it is possible for me to show jobs for all the 500 students? No? Point number one. Point number two, if you want to get a job, how much effort from trainer, how much effort come from student? If you think about it, to get a job, 70% of the effort must come from student only. 30% of the effort come from what? No, trainer. So my responsibility is what? I'm teaching Java. I'm teaching the content here. But how much you are listening, how much you are getting, how much you prepared, then that is totally getting job or not getting job. That is totally depending on you, not depending on me. Why? Because as per my level, I can teach the content here. But how much you prepared for that exam, for that company, that depends actually. That's why I'm not giving job guarantee, but job-oriented program I'm conducting. Job-oriented program I'm conducting. What are the questions you are able to get in the interview? Everything I will discuss there. Even I will make a note also. Interview question and answer. Both I will provide in our notes as clearly. I'll make dictation also inside the class there regarding this question and answer clearly. What are the questions you are able to get in the interviews? You are going to understand clearly. And which type of development you have to do in the companies after getting the job also, I'm going to provide. But I'm not going to give guarantee for our job. Why? Because 70% of the effort you must do to get a job. 30% of the effort only came from my side. But I will fulfill it 30%. 100% I will fill 30%. But how much you are going to fill in 70% is a doubtful. How I can give guarantee for it? And this is a blunder thing is going in outside market also. Job guarantee program title and for attracting the students. But how it is possible to give the jobs for all the people? Definitely. Then why? Because if you are not having your effort now, how it is possible? If you are providing your effort, definitely will get job. Moreover, Durga Soft winning percentage is 80%. 80% is success rate of Durga Soft. For every 100 members, 80 members will get job from Durga Soft. If you take courses at Durga Soft, 80% of the members will get job. They will get job. I am sure about it. Even whether you are attending interviews at Durgasoft platform or you are attending interviews at outside of Durgasoft platform, that 80% of the people will get job out of 100 members now. Understand it clearly. So that assurance I can give, but immediately after completion of this course, will you provide the job guarantee or not? In the sense, it's a blunder thing. Asking even that one also blunder thing. Think about it. Right, sir. Then, so these are the advantages you are able to get if you are attending with my classes there. What we are able to provide? We are able to provide video access up to 1 year of time. But if you register the courses within these 3 days, 3 days in the sense, yesterday was gone. Today, tomorrow, 2 days are left. If you register for the courses within these 2 days, no, you will get that videos access up to my classes up
Hello guys. Hello. Voice. Hello. 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 Hello students, are you getting my voice? Hello. Hello. Hello students, are you getting my voice? Hello. Hello students, are you getting my voice? Please wait for 2 minutes. Hi guys, please confirm me. Are you getting my voice? Hello. 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 Hello guys, are you getting my voice? భవాని హలో ఇది దుర్గా షాప్ ఆన్లైన్ దుర్గా ఎన్ అని ఉన్నాయి ఇది ఒకసారి భవానీకి ఇవ్వవా? ఎవరికి ఇచ్చిందో ఆర్గనైజర్ ప్రజెంటర్ ఆర్గనైజర్ ఎవరికి ఇచ్చావు? దుర్గా దుర్గా ఆన్లైన్ కి ఆర్గనైజర్ ప్రజెంటర్ అని ఉంది. ఓకే, దుర్గా ఎన్ అని ఒకటి ఉంది, దుర్గా ఎన్ అని ఒకటి ఉంది. ఏమో, దుర్గా ఆన్లైన్ అనుకుంటా. అదే కదా లాగిన్ అయ్యేది దీంట్లో. ఓకే ఓకే, చూసాను. కనిపించింది ఇప్పుడు. గ్రీన్ లో ఉంటే అన్మ్యూట్ కదా అది సెషన్. హాయ్ ప్లీజ్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ 10 minutes అని కనిపిస్తుందా? ఇప్పుడు వెయిట్ ఫర్ 10 minutes అని స్క్రీన్ కనిపిస్తుందా? హలో హలో గాయస్, హలో 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 గాయస్, ఆర్ యూ గెటింగ్ మై వాయిస్? హలో
Acha meerena just 5 minutes wait చేయండి. Guys, all of you there? Guys, all of you there? Are you listening my voice? All of you there, guys? Yeah. Then okay. I think it was stuck. Today it's a problem, guys, and today total internet issue is going on there at my place. Today morning onwards, that raining is going on. Heavy raining is going on at Hyderabad. There's a problem. Why? Might be disconnections are going on. Don't worry. Then every day it's not going to be repeated. Okay. And where you stopped in the class, nothing I have discussed there. Just I discussed about this. What I am telling there. The total. Right, that stack, that means full stack, what we have full stack, that everything I discussed there. Then apart from that, better all of you, what I'm requesting to all of you guys, then try to take full stack Java, then you will get more content and more courses. Nearly 12 to 13 number of courses are going to be included in a full stack when compared with other. So anyway, I explained the total courses and everything for you. Then you can try with that. You can check with that which course is suitable for you, which course you want to go there. Then you can sort for it. And fee related and everything, you can ask at our office, guys. You can ask at our office, and you can reach out. We can reach our office by sending mails like what? Just you can send a mail to Durga Soft Online Training @gmail.com, or else you can reach to 8885252627 for online people, for online classes. Yeah, it's available in online, guys. Full stack is available in online. Full stack is available. Basic Java is available. And then after complete Java package, all packages are available in online also. Just you can reach to these two, then our people will contact with you. They'll give more clarity on this package and everything. That fees related thing, you can talk with our admin people. Fee related thing, you can talk with our admin people, guys. Okay, then technically if you have any doubt, then you can paste your question here, then I will respond for it. Yeah. Abhinav, please, you can type your question. I will give response. Guys, if you have any questions, you can type in questions box, then I will give response for it. Okay. If you have any question, then I will give response. Just type there. Yeah, full stack duration, it will take 6 to 7 months of time, guys. Full stack duration, it will take 6 to 7 months of time. Okay. And my part is up to Java stream. That means I'm able to take classes for core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services. Yeah, I will take sessions up to this. And core Java, it will take nearly 2.5 to 3 months of time. It will take, sir. Okay, then how many hours per day? That means every day class duration will be 1.5 for one class. But if you join for packages, no, parallel we have to attend 2 to 3 classes. If you join for basic package or complete Java package or full stack Java package, then parallelly you have to attend the sessions. Okay, and one more thing, and up to next few days of time, I will take the sessions at 10 o'clock. After 10 days of time, I will take the sessions at 8:30 to 10, guys. I'm telling you clearly. But demo classes, few introduction classes I used to take at 10 o'clock. After the introduction classes, I will take sessions at what time there? At morning 8:30. 8:30 to 10 is core Java continuation is going on. Then morning 7 to 8:30, I will take advanced Java after completion of half of the core Java. After the half of the core Java, I will go for advanced Java, not immediately. Right, sir. In full stack, every course will be covered, guys. But all Java stream, I will take the responsibility. Some other like Arakill or maybe like what I'm telling you, UI technologies or maybe DevOps or some other trainers will take the classes. My part is like up to what now? My part is up to Java stream, up to web services I will take. But UI and Arakill, maybe some other trainers will take the sessions. For offline classes, definitely we need laptop. That means whatever the practice we are expecting that we can do in our own laptop only. But all programming part I will discuss inside the class. Through that you can programming practice and everything I will do inside the classes. Then after that you have to practice in your own way at your laptop at your home. The council. What is this council, guys? Richardson, I'm not getting it. What is this council? No, I don't know that. I don't know about it. Council. Subham Patil, definitely. You're eligible for placements at Durga Shop. Sure. Okay. And happy now. And I know a few concepts of core Java. But when I try to write the programs, then I'm not able to build the logic. So just wanted to know, will you be helping me in creating? Definitely. As part of the course, we are going to provide logics, how to write logics also. We are going to take simple projects and we are going to provide implementation for the project. So by that, we are able to understand clearly. All the classes are live class only, Shubham, not recorded lectures. Then now is also be live class. You can check my system time and date. Now I'm in live. All classes are going on in live only. No, not possible to provide any recordings. What is the need to provide recordings, guys? Then as a Java developer, as I'm a Java trainer, how it is possible? Right? No, not like that. Don't think like that. Then a project, that means mini projects are going on in my classes, guys. That means on topic basis, I will take projects. Yeah, in advanced Java onwards, you'll get very good coding content also. What I'm telling there, then on every topic, we used to think in the point of projects only. We are going to write code, more and more mini projects we are going to in our classes. Okay. Yes, morally, this course is more compatible for you. The full stack Java is a better option for everybody. Interview preparation also we will take it. Shivram. Interview preparation also we will take. That means we will give, what I'm telling there, we will give guidelines to how to face that interviews. And all interview questions also we will cover in our classes. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah, I will just do that. It's right, no problem. Sir provides the recording sessions also we are providing. Sadananda, definitely recording sessions you will get. If you miss any class, then definitely you will get recording. Definitely will get recording sessions. Grant me access to the class examples. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. You give in your course in the annual package. Yeah, definitely. Richardson, then if you join for these courses, you will get like what now? Class examples and everything you are able to get. Then all course content. That means whatever the examples I used to do inside the class and whatever the notes I used to type inside the class, everything I'll provide. Okay. I want to new to this. I didn't have any knowledge regarding this one. Which course I have to join? Only core Java is enough for me as a beginner. See, then if you, even though you are the beginner or maybe you are having some knowledge in Java, that doesn't matter. But at the end, companies are looking for full stack Java developers. At the end, companies are looking for full stack Java developers. Ashwant, either today or tomorrow, whatever it may be, you have to complete that full stack Java development course. Then only you are able to have number of chances to get into the companies. But even though you are a beginner, then gradually we can improve yourself. Why? Because core Java is a startup course for everybody. From core Java onwards, we can take the courses and you can complete it. Yeah, we are able to provide core Java course completion certificate also, Vijay Lakshmi. Okay, don't worry. So I want to join only core Java because I have office at 11 a.m. Yeah, guys, and after a few days of time, I will take these classes at 8:30 to 10 o'clock. So you can join for core Java. Then these demo class are going on maybe at 10 o'clock. After a few days of time, I will take the sessions at 8:30 to 10 o'clock. I forgot to say that information, but anyway, tomorrow I will give that information clearly. After a few days of time, I will take the class at 8:30 to 10 o'clock, not now. For experienced people, do you have placements? Akila, no. Why? Because the companies those who are coming to the Durga Soft is for the sake of freshers, not for the sake of experienced people. In Ameripet, experience in the sense might be fake experience only. Company people will know about that. So they will not allow us to send experienced people. Oh. Kapil, and in IST maybe after few days of time at evening 6 o'clock I will start the course. After 2 months after I will start core Java class at 6 p.m. IST. It means that 6 p.m. IST in the sense it is early morning for you. But at present, the timings would be okay. Maybe in the future, maybe at after 10 days of time at 8:30, I'm going to take this class now. The same class I'll continue at 8:30. Don't worry for that. But after 1 month of time, that means after 2 months of time, I'll start the course at 6 p.m. IST. 6 p.m. IST in the sense it may be early morning for you. Okay, you can attend for it. Kapil. EMI option is available or not? Just one time talk with our admin people, guys. Then they will give more clarity. Is career a transition from other profile for 7+ years of experience is possible? No, this course is designed for only the people, those who want to keep 4 to 5 years of experience max. Now, if we keep 7 years of experience, that expectations will be more from the company people. So we are not giving any assurance for that, but successfully, happily, we can keep up to 4 to 5 years of experience in our resume if you attend these classes. Digendra Singh. Next, can we switch from offline mode to online mode due to any circumstances? Nagaramu, just we can reach out to our office and they will give the process for that. How to switch from offline to online. Okay, then reach out to our office and they will give more clarity. When will you start exact classes apart from demo classes? Tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow core Java demo class I will take. Tomorrow core Java classes I am going to start. Tausif, you can attend it. Hi sir, can you please tell me which batch is okay for me? Basic Java package or complete Java package? Because for full stack batch, you told that we have to take parallel classes and that won't be possible for me as I will have my office. Okay, Abhinav, full stack, see one thing I'm telling to you, Abhinav, if you join for the full stack no, from morning 7 o'clock to night 9 o'clock class are going to be happen. In your comfortable time, you can attend for these courses. Up to 1 year of time, we are allowing you to attend for the courses now. So morning 7 o'clock to night, might be night 9 o'clock, courses are going on parallelly. Even in online, might be morning 6 o'clock to night 11 o'clock courses are going on. Different courses now. So you can attend these classes at any time once you join for full stack. Okay. Richardson, then if we join for these courses, you will get all the access. Not required to ask these many times. Then if you already, if you are the registered person, if you join for this course, then you are able to get it. Definitely, Akila. Then in outside, you are able to get jobs. Sure, 80% is a success rate. Definitely, you will get job with this knowledge. Yeah, Ashwant. Ashwant, then you can see you can pay today or tomorrow or maybe then Monday also. It's okay, no issues. But one time reach our office. Don't worry. Yeah, the session will be interactive. Then you can send the messages regularly. I can watch your message and I can give answers through online directly. While the session is going on, just send messages to this questions part. I can see your questions and I can answer for your questions continuously. I'll not get any problem. Yeah. Then why? Because if I allow any one person to speak out, no, it may be disturbance to all the remaining members. Understand it? No. So whatever the question you are having, just you can type that question in the questions box. I can see your messages and I can give reply spontaneously. Vijayalakshmi. Okay. Yeah, Vivek Kumar, don't worry. Then 3 years of gap, even though you are having, then you can put 3 years of experience and you will get job in outside. Don't worry for that. Yeah, Abhinav, that's what I'm telling there. Okay, better to go for complete Java, but full stack Java is preferable. Morning 6 o'clock to night 11 o'clock courses are going on. In our comfortable time, we can attend for it as per our. Okay, then parallel class is not possible in the sense that morning or evening batches are going on. Up to 1 year of time, we are going to provide a duration for you, just you can attend at any time. Yeah. Yeah, you can start with core Java. Even if you take basic Java or complete Java or full stack Java, every course will start from core Java only. Yeah, complete Java is okay. Is okay. Yeah, Shivam. 3 years of gap is available, so it will not get any problem to you. Even though if you want to go for as a fresher, it's okay, but companies may not allow you. Why? Because the company people may go for some era passed out condition there. That era passed out condition you may fail. Why? Because 3 years of gap is there now. It may be a problem, but less number of companies are allowing you. But why don't you put some experience up to 3 years of time? If you keep some experience up to 3 years of time, then it will be good for you. You will get more number of classes. Right, guys? And Shubham Patil. Monday to Saturday classes regularly, but on Sundays, depending on the situation, I may conduct somewhat extra sessions also, not immediately. After a few days, that means after starting object orientation, I have to conduct classes on Sundays also. After the object orientation, I have to start classes on Sundays also. Yeah, Vivek Kumar, definitely. You have 3 years of gap, no issue. Then you will get chances to select in the companies there with a basic knowledge. That means basic knowledge in the sense, but what I'm telling to you, all of you guys, you must have knowledge on full stack, whatever it may be. If you want to get the job earlier mode, everybody has to complete full stack Java. If you complete full stack Java, then only you are able to get job in earlier mode. Understand clearly? Chances are more to get job through full stack Java. Better to go for it. As per the courses are interdependent, how can I ensure I am learning each course in an orderly manner? Is there any sequence that you recommended? Yes, definitely. Sai, I will give the roadmap to you. How to start these courses and how to learn these courses, I'll give the total roadmap. Yeah, then maybe on tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll give the roadmap. Total roadmap I will provide to you. Don't worry for that. When will Java course class will start and in how many days it will be finished? And collection framework is covered in core Java or not? Definitely collection framework will be covered in core Java, sure. And tomorrow onwards, core Java class will start. Java history will start. Exact tomorrow onwards, the core Java will start. Then after collection framework will be covered in core Java only. Then 2.5 to 3 months of time it will take to complete core Java. Shubham. PSC physics student era passed out is 2021. Is this course is suitable for me? But you have to give some experience. Lakshmi Reddy. You have to give some experience. Then only it is possible. As a fresher, you want to join, it's not possible. Why? Because you came from BSc physics, right? So if you keep some experience, that your background will be hidden. So you will not get any problem. Yeah, I know that morning 7 to 8:30 advanced Java class is going on after a few days of time, and 8:30 to 10 o'clock core Java is going on. Yeah, they are the two schedules at present. No, they are the two schedules at present we are having. Okay. 8:30 to 10 o'clock core Java. Now, actually, demo class I'm taking at 10 o'clock, but afterwards I will take the sessions at 8:30. 8:30 to 10 o'clock I will take the sessions up to next. That means 10 to 11:30 class I'm going to take next few days of time only. After that I will conduct this class at 8:30 to 10 o'clock. After half of the course completion in core Java, then I'll go for what now? Advanced Java at morning 7 to 8:30. Okay. Tomorrow is the original class. I'll start the original core Java class tomorrow. Gurvinder, you can attend for it. Okay, how many months taken for complete Java? Complete core Java, it may take nearly 5 to 6 months of time it will take. Supriya, 5 to 6 months of time. Yeah, Lakshmi Reddy, then you have to keep the 2 years of experience for Java, not in our relevant. That means not in our one. Why? Because no problem. Fake experience you can keep up to 2 years of experience, then you can attend for interviews. You will get job. Yeah, not to worry for that. Everybody is doing the same thing nowadays. Your work experience is not related to software industry, forget about it. Then the same 2 years of experience we can put it Java. After learning these courses, then you will get chances. Basic package, it will take 3 to 4 months of time. Taushif. Basic package will take 3 to 4 months of time. Tausif Ahmad. Basic package will take 3 to 4 months of time to complete. But parallelly, we are going to connect the classes. Yes, Abhinav. This core Java and advanced Java, these classes are going in at morning time only. The core and advanced will confirm it morning time. Then UI classes will plan there. Maybe the UI class are going in at any time. UI and Oracle class are going in at any time. But core and advanced class are going in at morning time. Sure, damn sure. Full stack Java, it will take 6 to 7 months of time. Sadananda, full stack Java is going to be complete within 6 to 7 months of time. To start advanced Java, it may take 40 days of time from now onwards. Abhinav Prakash. To start advanced Java, it may take 40 to 45 days of time. Within 40 days of time, we will start. Why? Because to attend for advanced Java, you need core Java. Without having knowledge on core Java, it is not possible. At least half of the core Java we have to understand. Then only you can start with advanced Java. Okay. Yeah, every day class is being recorded and every class recording will be provided. Karthik. Every day class recordings will be provided to you. Don't worry for that. Every day classes recording will be provided. Don't worry. Thank you. Abhinav, what is the duration of which course? Advanced Java. Advanced Java will take 2 months of time, 2 to 2.5 months of time. Thank you. Thank you. Complete Java package, it will take nearly around 5 months of time. Complete Java package will be completed around 5 months of 5 to 6 months of time it will take. Complete core Java and advanced Java, but then if you do parallelly, it may be complete within 3 to 4 months of time. Is it possible to now join only core Java and after that, when you start advanced Java, then enroll into that? Okay, Shubham Patil, no issues. You can join. Vivek Sudhar, and try to reach out our office there. They will give details about our package and everything. Payments and all these things you can give at our offices there. You can reach out to our office and send a mail to this durgasoft.online-training@gmail.com. Our people will send that information to you. Okay, Vivek. Java and AI is which package? Java and UI will be available in all packages. Basic Java, complete Java, and what next one? Full stack Java. Murli Mohan. That UI part will be available in all. Yeah, thank you, Abhinav. Thank you. Murali, second package is what? Complete Java package. Complete Java package. What you are expecting there? Thank you, Murali. Yeah. Anything else, guys? Anything else? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Richardson, just one time reach out our office there. Our office people will talk about these payments and everything. Will the technologies present in full stack package are covered parallelly? Yes, exactly. Nagaramu. Parallelly only we are going to conduct these classes. Then only we can complete within 6 to 7 months of time. Otherwise, it may take years of time. Parallelly only you have to cover. I'll give the roadmap how to start these courses one by one, or parallelly I'll give the roadmap. By that you are able to understand clearly. Nagar Ramu Usa. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Thank you. And tomorrow we will meet, and tomorrow we will see the remaining part. Okay. Shall we meet on tomorrow, guys? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Thank you guys. Thank you for attending. Tomorrow will be the same time. Don't worry. Tomorrow will be the same time. We can attend for the sessions. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thank you guys. We'll meet on tomorrow. That's fine.